Last month, Vivo launched the T4X, and now the brand is getting ready to release the second option in the line, the T4 5G. This will be positioned higher than the T4X, which launched in India at 13,999 Indian rupees. The T4 5G will pack the largest battery in its price segment, and it will also have the brightest quad-curved display in the segment. It will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, according to a new rumor. Its AMOLED screen will go up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness, reportedly. The phone will be offered in two colorways, Emerald Blaze and Phantom Gray. It will have a circular camera island with dual sensors and a ring LED flash inside. The Emerald Blaze edition has gold accents around the camera island. Other rumors have claimed that the device would sport a massive 7,300 mAh battery with support for 90W wired charging. The T4 5G is expected to launch later this month. Last year, the T3 was priced at 19,999 Indian rupees when it became available, so its successor could be going with a similar amount.